Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another skincare Sunday. Yeah! So we like to get creative here on Skincare Sundays. So in today's Skincare Sunday, we are doing a video, a routine, all using watermelon skincare products. But there is a twist. One of my amazing viewers, Alexa, gave me the idea to do a mukbang. So while we're doing some watermelon skincare, I'm going to be eating some watermelon and we're going to be testing this shit out. I've been dying to do a mukbang. I just didn't know how I was going to go about it, where you guys would actually want to watch it. So I figured this is the right way to do it. And as much as I want a bowl of really hot, cheesy pasta, gooey, creamy, I need to be healthy. Mwah. I got these guys from Marshall's. They are the Slice of Summer from Beauty Concepts Natural Watermelon Wipes. I'm just gonna use these to clean off my face. I like these more for cleaning off my face rather than removing makeup. They're not too amazing at removing mascara or anything like that, but they're really great to just clean off your face, throw in your bag. If you're doing like going to the gym or anything like that, these are great for that. And they smell yummy. The next product I'm going to be using is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Couldn't find any watermelon toner, so we're going to be using 2 black tea products, but I promise everything else is watermelon. Don't be mad. Now I have watermelon sheet mask, watermelon sheet mask. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to try a sheet mask on, babe? Alright guys, so the next products I'm going to be using are 2 watermelon sheet masks. This one from Sephora and this guy from Coco Star. This guy has little slices of watermelon and this guy is just infused with watermelon. There are 2 pieces in this one. There's one for your face and there's one for your décolleté. So I'm going to move up a little bit for this. How does this work, my friends? Okay. I think this one is for the décolleté. What is the décolleté? Why is it called the décolleté?
The discoteca.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, this smells so good. It's so cold. There you go.
Cause you're a sexy mofo, and you got a nice touch.
Ooh, that feels so weird. You like can't even see it. Oh, this one smells like watermelon too. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Oh, they're so cold. Oh my goodness. Gotta be symmetrical here. So I'm gonna leave all of these on for like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, maybe less. I don't know, you know.
How you doing? Air in there? Ah, it's cold. Ah. Guys, I'm legit shaking. Oh, this is nice.
This one's like gel.
Wait, what? What's going on here? Oh, that's fucking sick. Oh, drip, drip. You shouldn't be Beauty by Julie if you don't even know how to put a mask on.
Give a kiss. Oh, my watermelon.
Yeah, let me just fix this upper lip. Yeah. Oh, look at me!
We're gonna take the watermelons off. These poor little watermelons. I like them. Woo. Ooh. Now we're going to use the Milk Makeup Watermelon Serum all over our face, décolleté, our neck, and we're going to rub it in with our fingers after we've applied it. Before we move on to the rest of our face, I'm going to go ahead and scrub my lips with this little watermelon lip scrub from Fizz and Bubble. And it's edible. And then on top, to finish off the lips, I'm going to be using this Skin Fix Natural Watermelon Mint Lip Repair Balm. I'm going to use the little mini Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate from Fresh Beauty. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using one of my favorite moisturizers because it smells so good and it's so awesome. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm going to apply this all over my face and wait for it to settle in. Last but not least, I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask with a glowing radiance and softness. So I'm not going to sleep anytime soon, but I am going to use this in all the areas where I do get a little more dry and where I want my skin to be really plump. And I'm just going to leave it on for the rest of the day, because we gonna go by the pool. Alright guys, that is it for my watermelon skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this like half skincare routine, half mukbang. If you guys want me to do more videos like these, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and of course as always, make sure you are subscribed to me. Make sure you're also getting notifications from me. Make sure that you click the little bell next to the subscribe button. Make sure there's 2 little lines saying like the bell is ringing so that your notifications are on so you don't miss out on a single video. Okay? But just know that I upload very often. Now I do. So always come and check back to see if I uploaded. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!